Hi, I am Maria. You are watching Golden News Channel. Today, the 16th of August 2020. Now headlines. UAE summons Iranian administrator to protest Hassan Rouhani's statement. The decision to open the school could lead to an increase in corona. British experts. Coronavirus detected in chicken wings coming to China from Brazil. This is the fifth consecutive day of Israeli airstrikes on Gaza. Now details of headlines. You are watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe and share. UAE summons Iranian administrator to protest Hassan Rouhani's statement. The United Arab Emirates (UAE) has summoned Iranian Foreign Minister Ahmet Davutoglu to protest Iranian President Hassan Rouhani's remarks on an agreement with Israel. Emirati officials recorded a protest against President Rouhani's threatening statement to the Iranian charge d'affaires, and a letter of protest was sent to the Iranian charge d'affaires. Iranian President Hassan Rouhani has warned that the UAE-Israel relationship is a big mistake and has serious consequences for strengthening Israel's foothold in the region. It may be recalled that on August 13, a peace agreement was reached between the UAE and Israel under which it was decided to start diplomacy between the two countries. The decision was welcomed by European countries, including the United States, while most Islamic countries, including Iran and Turkey, equated it with stabbing Al-Aqsa Mosque in the stomach. Iranian President Hassan Rouhani said the deal was aimed at re-electing U.S. President Donald Trump, while Turkey has begun considering recalling its ambassador to the UAE. The decision to open the school could lead to an increase in corona. British experts. London British experts have warned that Prime Minister Boris Johnson's decision to open a school could lead to an increase in corona. The UK has already eased sanctions on May in corona cases, but the closure has also hurt students. The UK's GDP fell 20.4% in the first quarter of this year. Experts say the government should not blindly believe claims that schoolchildren are less likely to be transferred to corona. Experts say the epidemic could re-emerge on a large scale when schools reopen. Coronavirus detected in chicken wings coming to China from Brazil. Coronavirus has been detected in frozen chicken wings coming to China from Brazil. According to a report by a foreign news agency, coronavirus has been found in the packaging samples of frozen chicken wings from Brazil in the Chinese cities of Shenzhen and Xi'an. According to local officials, the frozen chicken in Shenzhen was imported from Brazil. The Brazilian company says Chinese authorities have not yet confirmed the presence of coronavirus in frozen food. He says the company is doing everything possible to stop the spread of corona, and so far there is no evidence that the food has spread the virus. On the other hand, experts say that the virus can survive at -20 degrees Celsius for 2 years, but so far there is no concrete evidence that frozen food can spread the coronavirus. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration and the Department of Agriculture also said in a joint statement that there was no evidence of coronavirus in food or food packaging. Mike Ryan, the World Health Organization's head of emergency programs, says people should not be afraid of food and food packaging or food delivery. It is believed that Brazil is the second country in terms of cases of coronavirus, where 177,000 people have died from the deadly virus, while the number of infected patients is more than 3.3 million. This is the fifth consecutive day of Israeli airstrikes on Gaza. Israel has carried out airstrikes on Gaza for the fifth day in a row, injuring several people. The Israeli Defense Ministry has confirmed the latest attacks, claiming that they targeted Hamas bases and that they were in response to rocket attacks from Gaza and the sending of helium gas balloons into Israeli territory. On the other hand, tensions on the Israeli-Gaza border fence are rising again. Protests by Palestinians against the siege continue. According to Gaza Ministry of Health officials, Israel opened fire on unarmed protesters on the border, seriously injuring 4 Palestinian youths. Thanks for watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.